If you have more than one arrest on your record, you've probably been told that you're out of luck because Florida law only allows you to seal or expunge one record in your lifetime. But there is a legal exception that could allow you to clear your entire record in one shot. And most people either don't know about it or don't know how to use it properly. Hi, I'm Mo from Erase the Case, Florida's expert expungement law firm. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Rule, the only way to clear multiple arrests at the same time. Under Florida statutes 943.0585 and 943.059, the general rule is usually one and done. For example, if you have one arrest from 2015 and another one from 2022, you usually have to pick and choose which one you want to expunge and which one will stay on your record forever. However, the law can sometimes provide a narrow window. Let me explain. You can petition the court to clear more than one arrest if you can prove that the additional arrests are directly related to the original one. This is what we call the legal nexus. But you might be wondering, what does directly related actually mean? It's not just about them happening around the same time. To qualify for a nexus, the case usually needs to meet one of these criteria. First is the same criminal episode. If you're arrested on Friday night, released, and then arrested again on Saturday morning for something stemming from that same incident, a judge may view that as one episode. Another example is related evidence. If a second arrest happened later because the police found new evidence related to your first case, they're often considered nexus cases. And finally, there is same party and facts. If both cases involve the same incident, the same timeline, and the same underlying actions, you might be able to argue that they should be treated as one for expungement purposes. Now, here's the catch. You only get to file your petition once. If you have two cases and you only apply for one, or if you try to link them and the judge disagrees because the paperwork wasn't handled correctly, you have officially used up your one lifetime opportunity. What we see all the time is people trying to clear a string of unrelated arrests from a bad month in their life. But if those arrests aren't legally tied together by a nexus, the FDLE will deny the application, and you may lose that chance to clear any of them. So if you have multiple entries on your background check, don't just assume you have to live with them. You need to look for a legal connection. If you want to see if multiple arrests qualify under the Nexus Rule, go to erasethecase.com and click the Do I Qualify button. Our system is built to analyze complex records and determine if your case can be grouped together, so you don't waste your one shot at a clean slate.